Oh. That's not me, that was Gina.
Excuse me. Excuse me. So, but,
them.
Do you have bobby pins?
Yeah, I do. I have them downstairs.
You burp like a guy.
I'll put whoever you wanna, but like. The veto is what's scary. I'm cool with that because, like, you know what? Like, I did what I had.
I'm gonna do that right in her face.
Oh, fuck.
Ew.
Take a shake.
It's like the only thing I have to like.
Ew.
I got two things. It's my birthday, and then
Just like, don't dwell on it, because if you dwell on it, the worse it's gonna be.
oh my god,
That was so disgusting. It sounded.
I need some Alka-Seltzer and I didn't eat it yet.
Can you do that?
Sure.
I'll do it if you don't.
Excuse me.
Mother.
Then you have to get blood of the 3 people in your hand.
Excuse me. What
Things, which, like, for
Excuse me,
example, like,
that probably stinks. I had onion. Sorry, guys.
no, it's fine.
Of course. Of course. Excuse me.
I think you could skip.
It sucks.
Oh, excuse me. I just had to do it for me, and I felt the wind.
It's like the worst shit ever.
Oh, excuse me.
This is good for you.
Yes.
Oh, excuse me. Sorry. We're hurt. Fucking crazy, bro.
No. And
And,
that's like,
I'm trying to tell him, and I'm like, I can't talk anymore. She's fucking.
Can't even get away. The fucking door is locked.
if you were Andy,
Can't take the heat. Get out the kitchen, huh?
Huh?
First, you don't succeed. Try again.
Oh, excuse me. Give it back. And that's the end of the story with the burp.
We took it easy. Just be like,
She just said that, you know, she's had 5 is a lot to me.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, well, Spencer might get backdoored. I mean, it's up to the HOH. Helen always wants to do what's best for the HOH, or what?
Tell everyone.
what is the ghost noise?
I don't know, but they've just been like screaming.
Just ate though, so I'm gonna try to. Excuse me, sorry. That's the only.
No shit. But Helen told you that to be. Yep. Like, I like McCrae, and I don't.